There's no prominent lead face in your movie. It's not what we're looking for. I'm sorry, you can't die. Mr. Faxyman, please leave my office. We are not interested, okay?
No! I said no! What do you mean no face? Eh? I put all my time, my virtue, my resources, and you're telling me no face? I promise you will make that face today. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How may I be of help?
Actually, we have a very good film that we just produced, and we know your studio will be very much interested in it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Can I have your trailer?
No, actually, I've sent it to your WhatsApp, though I've not gotten a feedback from you.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Oh, well, let me take a look. Oh, that's true.
It's a wonderful film, I tell you this.
You mean this?
Yes, that is it.
There's no prominent lead face in your movie. It's not what we're looking for. I'm sorry, you can't die.
Is it not face that is your face? Eh? Is it not face that is your face now? Or is my eye deceiving me?
Mr. Faxyman, please leave my office. We are not interested, okay? Please leave.
How many times should they say no face to me? No! I said no! What do you mean no face? Eh? I put all my time, my virtue, my resources, and you're telling me no face? I promise you we'll make that face today. You said no face, we'll make that face today. It's a guarantee. Watch, just watch me.
Why are you bringing out your phone?
Hello community. Let me show you the latest update. What to do behind the scene that you don't know.
Mr. Man,
it's risky and I'm Bobby. So let me bring it to you. What to do?
Oh, okay, it's okay, you are a threat. No, move back. Move back. You are joking.
Move back?
Yes.
Okay, but you know the camera is there.
Move back.
Let me so.
Yes, ma'am. You are buying.
I'm
looking for my friend, please. I'm looking for my friend.
Faxyman, so now go. Yeah, what?